I'm Dave from Fuellox. Here on the desk in front of me, I've got some parts and I'll show you how it works. This part here would normally go on a Caterpillar tank. On a normal truck, this would be your threaded inlet for your fuel tank. Here in this box, we have a Cocon M280. This part comes with a fuel filler cap. In some situations, you can reuse your existing cap. So all you need to do to install the Cocon system is take your fuel tank inlet, drop the system in, wind it down, and you'll hear a click. That's now locked in. That system you can turn it all you like and it will never ever come out, and that's locked in there forever. And just to show you how well the system works, here I've got a little bit of hose, and you can see here that will never, ever, ever be able to get into the tank. So that's how the fuel anti-siphon system works. I hope that is helpful information for you, and that's enough from me. Thank you.